Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling something super important: how to change your Verizon prepaid account PIN for 2025. With increasing concerns about online security, updating your PIN is a smart move to keep your account safe and sound. This process is straightforward, but we'll go through it step by step so you can do it in no time. First things first, grab your phone or computer and make sure you're logged into your Verizon prepaid account. If you haven't already, head to the Verizon website or open the My Verizon app and enter your current credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Account Settings, or Security, section. It's usually found in the menu dropdown. Look for the option that says Change PIN or Update Security PIN. This might vary slightly based on the latest 2025 updates, so if it's not exactly where I describe, double-check the Help section. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. Enter your current PIN when prompted. This is a security measure to ensure it's really you making the change. After that, you'll be asked to create a new PIN. Choose something strong, like a mix of numbers and letters, at least 4 to 6 characters long, and make sure it's something you'll remember but not too obvious. Verizon might recommend using their guidelines for extra protection. Once you've entered your new PIN, confirm it by retyping it in the verification field. Hit Submit or Save Changes, and voila, you're all set. It should take just a minute or two, and you'll get a confirmation message on your screen or via email. A quick tip: if you run into any issues, like an error message, make sure your account is in good standing and that you're using a secure connection. And remember, changing your PIN regularly is a great habit for 2025's evolving tech landscape. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Verizon tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below, I've got you covered. Stay safe out there, and see you in the next video.